With Glide and the AI integration, what we're able to do is we can build an interface that works great, that works with our current business processes, and then we can lay in AI, create tons of efficiency there. My name is Trey Heath. I'm the president of Centerline Business Services. And at Centerline, we provide consulting for family offices and investment companies across the U.S. Glide really aligns with our mission at Centerline, which is to create better processes for investment companies. And we're building CRMs for our clients. We're building HR systems. And then we're able to integrate all those things in a super easy way and provide a very professional end product. If you take your basic family office in the U.S. that is doing some sort of financial reporting to their partner banks, that can be a very convoluted and difficult process. They needed an intuitive, professional interface to keep up with the performance of their investment. We use an AI prompt to compare month-over-month performance, and it just writes this nice little paragraph for us with that analysis. And before, you would have to have a financial analyst go through and write 3 paragraphs for the investor for every single investment platform. And then we would have to send a PDF of that month's financial performance, and we'd have to send that out to every single one of the investors. Now Glide does all that for us. It sounds simple, but the fact that we were able to build that in a few weeks for all of these platforms and the hundreds of operating companies, and have that automated summary month-to-month TTM, trailing 6-month comparisons just generated for us that automatically goes out to our investors through an email or push notification, it's amazing.